Hi guys, today we are going to do a video on how to enable SSH on an HP ProCurve switch. In the past I've done a video on how to enable SSH on a Cisco device and also a video on how to, or why you should use SSH over telnet when configuring remote access to your network devices. I'll put the links to those two videos in the description of this video. They're probably good to watch because I think I probably go into a little more detail than I will on this video. So just check those out when you get some time. With that said, let's go ahead and get started configuring SSH. So we're logged into the switch, and it's just a switch right out of the box. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and just give my switch an IP address. So we're going to go into configuration mode, and we're going to go to VLAN 1, which is the management VLAN, and type the command IP address, and we'll give it the address 192.168.140.1. And now that we've done that, let's just verify that we can ping that. And we can. Alright, so what we're going to do here, go ahead and configure SSH. Before you get started doing that, the first thing you want to do is configure the host name on your switch. So we're just going to call our switch switch 1. And now that we've got that, to use SSH you have to use a username and password combination. So we need to configure a username and password for the user that will use to log in via SSH. So the command to do that is password manager user dash name, and then just give it the name Ingve for all you guitar players out there. And then it's going to ask us what our password is. We're just going to use password. I don't recommend using that password for any of your devices, but there we have it. The next thing we're going to do is type the command crypto key generate SSH RSA. That generates our crypto key, and the last thing that we need to do is enable SSH, and you do that with the command IP SSH. And that should be it, so let's go ahead and give that a test. Let me use Putty this time. SSH 192.168.140.1. And it's just going to give us this message here. Just type yes, and it's asking for the username, and password is password. That's it, we're in. So that's it for this video, and like I said, I'll put the links to the other two videos for the Cisco configuration and also just for the SSH versus telnet video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and click on like or subscribe, and we'll keep making videos for you. Thanks a lot.